Welcome to a new era of innovation and sophistication. Today, we're unveiling a groundbreaking leap in mobile technology, the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Comprising the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra, these devices are not just smartphones, they're a testament to Samsung's relentless pursuit of excellence. Let us explore these marvels' core. The Galaxy S24 series boasts a design that's both elegant and robust. Encased in armor aluminum, the strongest ever used in a smartphone, they promise durability without compromising on style. The S24 and S24 Plus feature a satin finish that's smooth to the touch, while the S24 Ultra introduces a new titanium exterior, adding an extra layer of sophistication. The visual experience is nothing short of revolutionary. The S24 and S24 Plus come with a dynamic AMOLED 2x display, offering vivid colors and exceptional clarity. The S24 features a 6.2-inch FHD Plus screen, while the S24 Plus steps it up with a 6.7-inch QHD Plus display, the highest resolution on a Galaxy device. The S24 Ultra, however, takes it to the next level with a 6.8-inch screen, ensuring an immersive experience like no other. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any smartphone, and the S24 series excels in this domain. The intelligent battery adapts to your usage patterns, ensuring that you get the most out of your device. The S24 offers up to 28 hours of video playback, while the S24 Plus extends this to 29 hours. The S24 Ultra, with its massive capacity, can go up to 30 hours, making it a powerhouse for users on the go. Let's talk about the camera, a feature where the S24 series truly shines. All three models come equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera, ensuring high-resolution photos that capture every detail. The S24 and S24 Plus feature a triple rear camera setup, including a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 10-megapixel 3x optical zoom camera. The S24 Ultra, however, takes it a step further with its quad tele zoom system, offering up to 100 times digital zoom. Nightography is enhanced across the board, allowing you to shoot clear, vibrant photos even in low light. In the realm of software and AI, the Galaxy S24 series is not just a step, but a giant leap into the future. Let's delve deeper into these groundbreaking capabilities that set a new benchmark in smartphone technology. At the core of the S24 series is Samsung's commitment to an intelligent, user-centric experience. Powered by the latest AI technology, these devices are designed to learn from you, adapting to your habits and preferences to deliver a truly personalized experience. First, let's explore the Live Translate feature. This isn't just about translating text, it's about breaking down language barriers in real-time communication. Whether you're on a call, reading a message, or browsing social media, Live Translate offers instant translation across multiple languages. It's like having a personal interpreter in your pocket, making global communications seamless and effortless. Now let's turn our attention to a feature that's as innovative as it is intuitive: the Circle to Search function, exclusive to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This feature is a testament to how AI can simplify our daily interactions with technology. Imagine you're browsing through a digital magazine or a social media feed on your S24 Ultra. You come across a stunning piece of art, a gadget, or perhaps a fashion item that piques your interest. With Circle to Search, discovering more about it is just a touch away. It understands context, recognizes patterns, and provides relevant results in a matter of seconds. Photo editing is now smarter with Photo Assist. This feature uses AI to suggest edits, like enhancing brightness or adjusting composition, making professional-grade photo editing accessible to everyone. With Generative Edit, you can effortlessly remove unwanted objects or fill in missing parts of your image, thanks to the AI's understanding of context and content. For gamers, AI optimization doesn't stop at performance. It extends to an immersive gaming experience. The AI monitors your usage patterns, optimizes battery life, and manages resources, ensuring that your gaming sessions are smooth and uninterrupted. The AI also enhances audio and video quality in games, providing a more engaging and realistic experience. And let's not forget about security and privacy, a cornerstone of the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung Knox, our defense-grade security platform, is now enhanced with AI, offering real-time protection against threats and vulnerabilities. Your data is not just secure, it's intelligently protected. For gamers and performance seekers, the S24 series doesn't disappoint. The new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor ensures smooth, lag-free gaming. The larger vapor chamber in the S24 Ultra keeps the device cool, even during intense gaming sessions. And with ray tracing technology, the graphics are more realistic than ever. The S24 Ultra revives the legacy of the Galaxy Note with its integrated S Pen. This isn't just a stylus, it's a tool of precision and creativity. Whether you're taking notes, sketching, or navigating, the S Pen offers an experience that's as close to pen on paper as it gets. Enhanced with AI, the S Pen's responsiveness and accuracy are beyond anything we've seen before. The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is more than just a step forward. It's a leap into the future. With unparalleled build quality, stunning displays, exceptional battery life, advanced camera systems, and cutting-edge AI capabilities, these devices are not just smartphones, they're gateways to new possibilities. Welcome to the future with the Samsung Galaxy S24 series.